Moving down the pool like she's gonna do 5 feet. I don't think so. Okay, this is the 5 feet. Look at that. Noah, step. You got the rock? Emmy, where's the rock? That's pretty deep. I don't think you can do it, Emmy. That's too deep for you. You can try. What? She's going down. Going down, up.
That's so deep.
How do you know? Try one more time. Swim all the way to the bottom. Emmy, do it. Swim all the way to the bottom. Try it. One more time. Swim to the bottom and get it. Do it. Take a deep breath and go. 5 feet. Yes, you can. You got to swim all the way down. Put your head down and go get it. Come on, man. Do it, Emmy. You can do it.
When you get in the water, okay?
It's just a little bit farther.
See? Do it.
It's just a little bit farther.
Emmy, it's just a tiny bit farther. Emmy, you know what? It's this bit farther.
Go. It's just a little bit farther. Do it.
And Emmy.
Come on, man. I know you can do it.
You did it.
Go, Emmy. Go. Go. Deep breath and then go deep.
I think she got it.
No way! She did it! Got the rock right there, right on 5. Holy cow, I can't believe it, Emmy. 5 feet deep.